at exercise 9. So now we're going to compute interest on notes receivable. So we've got this table of notes receivable for 2014, and for each of these notes, we're going to compute the amount of interest revenue earned during 2014. Okay? So I'm going to go over here and just fill in all of the notes. So we've got note 1, note 2, and so on. And the principal amounts. And what our interest rate is. So 8%. And remember, these interest rates are always going to be at an annual rate. Okay, so we're going to need to multiply the portion of time we've had it outstanding. All right, so here it's saying for the interest period, we had this first note 4 months out of the year. Okay, so remember when we do our formula, our interest is going to equal the principal times the interest rate times the time. And the time is going to equal either the number of months we've had the loan outstanding over 12 or the days we've had it over 360 days due to rounding. We're not going to use 365, but 360. So here we've got 4 over 12. So we would do 4 months out of 12. And let's change that. All right. And then for note 2, we had it for 45 days. So we would do 45 over 360. And then for note 3, we had it for 75 days. So 75 divided by 360. And for note 4, we had it for 10 months out of 12. So then our interest earned is going to be the principal of $30,000 times 8% times that fraction of 4 months out of 12, and that's going to get us our interest expense. And the same for each of these. Okay, so if we had interest on the first loan of $800, $137.50 on the second, $395.83 on the third, and the last one was $58.33. And if we rounded those, that would be $138 and $396. All right. So if you guys have any questions on those, post your questions to the discussion board or send me an email.